Hey, I'm Naya. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another deck profile for you, but this time it's not mine. My friend actually got 5th place at our 34 people regional on Saturday and he played Drytron. So he has a great deck profile for you, and we also, all of us together, came up with an amazing combo, so you should stay tuned until the end because he will be showcasing it. So hey, Val.
Hey.
Okay, so let's get into the deck profile. So I'm pretty sure you played 40 cards, right?
Oh yeah, four
Okay.
cards main deck.
Okay, go ahead.
So for the main deck, starting with triple alpha.
Okay.
So pretty normal.
Yeah, your
Triple
ratio
Zeta.
overall is kind of normal, right?
Yeah, I mean it's pretty heavy on engine. 3 Zeta,
Mm-hmm.
3 Gamma,
Mm-hmm.
and double Delta.
Okay, so how did you like that? Like playing so many names?
Mm, it was
Okay.
pretty good.
Okay
And
then.
then we have triple orange light,
Mm-hmm.
then double Eva,
Mm-hmm.
triple diviner,
Okay.
then we have one Editon. This card sucks. If I would play again, I would not play this card.
You
Cut
wouldn't?
this card. No,
Okay.
this card is just bad card.
Okay, you've got to tell me at the
Then
end which changes you would make.
okay, sure.
Okay, okay.
Then we have one ultimateness.
Mm-hmm.
Then one proxy Draconids.
Okay. So I lent him all of the cards that he didn't play. I think I lent you like 3 cards. I think it was
Yeah,
3. But yeah,
yeah, three
those are
cards.
the proxies, but I gave him the cards that he didn't have.
Then we have Julian package.
Okay. So how did you like that? Because not everybody plays it.
I like that because when you just got so many hand traps, and then you just two bodies make
Mm-hmm.
Dragon, and that's it.
Yeah,
And
that's true.
your
Because
opponent cannot
usually,
play through.
wouldn't you before Dragoon, wouldn't you go into Draconoids? I think when if you were like Drolled or something, you could only
Yeah,
go into Draconoids, for example. But now with the Dragoon package, you go in it with 2 bodies almost all of the time, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Then we have triple emergency for the
Okay.
spells. Triple Nova, that's the prox one.
Yep.
One Meteonis,
Mhm.
and one Fafnir.
Mhm. Did you like only one Meteonis?
I liked one.
Okay.
I mean, I think you don't need more.
Mhm. That's fair.
Then one Prosperity.
Okay. Is there any
It con-
reason for playing only one or?
it kind of conflicts with the Delta
Okay.
draws. Then we have two Dark Crawlers. This
Well, how
card
was
was
that?
insane.
Did it?
Against combo decks, it was
Yeah.
just insane.
Yeah, I was wondering if it caught people off guard.
This card is just insane in the main deck, and I would play 3. Then we have Red Decision.
Mhm.
One Fallby.
Okay.
That's against Droll and hand traps.
Did you get drolled a
Uh,
lot?
I get Droll like 4 times.
Well, no, yeah, that's fair.
Then yeah, one Foolish.
Okay.
And then for the last 2 cards, that is pretty spicy, one Order.
Okay. So this is part of our combo, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
part of our combo.
Okay, so you should stay tuned until the end because the combo is amazing. We got you. We'll show it. All right, so you want to do extra or side next?
I'm gonna do extra next.
Okay.
One Link Ribbon.
Mhm.
Um, Activate Nova, Summon Alpha, Link for
Mhm.
Link Ribbon. One Anaconda.
Mhm.
We are playing dragons, so.
Yep.
One IP.
Mhm.
One Phoenix. That's against controlled decks. And then against floodgates, Tickable, and stuff like that.
Okay, did you get to use it a lot?
Yeah, I
You
got
did?
to use it a lot. It was pretty insane.
Okay.
Then we have one Unicorn. That's
Mhm.
the IP target.
Okay.
Then we have one Auroradon.
Mm-hmm.
That's for the part of the Aurador combo.
Okay.
And one Broadsword.
Mm-hmm.
So for the OTK. For the Xyz, we have double Mubeta, one Downer Magician.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have Beatrice. This card is just insane. Dump Eva, Search Orange Light, Search Diviner.
And it's
Just
also for
insane.
the combo, right?
Yeah, it's also for the combo.
Okay.
Then we have one Zeus.
Mm-hmm.
For the fusions, we have one Antis.
Mm-hmm.
And we have Drigan.
Okay.
And then for the last card in the extra deck, it was Herald of the Arclight. You can
Did
just
you
end
miss
up
playing
with.
two? I'm sorry to cut you off, but did you miss playing two? Or would you just play one moving forward?
Um, Thinking about to
Yeah.
bump on two, but I didn't have space for second
Yeah,
one.
obviously. Okay, great.
For side deck, triple Phantasme.
Mm-hmm.
This card was insane. Double Nibiru.
Mm-hmm.
You can just. When you summon Phantasma, you can draw into Nip and stuff like that, and just
Mm-hmm.
yeah. One Lancia, it's searchable by Bantam.
Mm-hmm.
One Natasha, that's in theory for the time,
Mm-hmm.
just healing time.
Okay, that's fair.
Triple Twin Twisters, that's against backrow decks. One Duster, and then one Ribbit.
Mm-hmm.
That's also for the backrow decks. Then for the last three cards in side deck, it was double Chalice and one Dark Ruler. So that's
Okay.
against combo decks.
Okay, great. Now I'm really wondering, would you change anything besides the Editen? And if you would take out the Editen, would you put in Natasha or something else since you would be low on ritual monsters?
I would probably put the third dark ruler in the main deck again,
Okay.
instead of Eden.
Anything else? Like, what would you put in the side deck if you took out the ruler? The third chalice?
Probably the third chalice.
Okay, so now he's gonna show us the combo in which you, with the basic Alpha Zeta combo, you can also end up on order, which is always good.
Yep. So the combo goes Alpha tributing Zeta. So summon and search for a Bantam.
Okay.
Then Zeta effect, tributing Bantam, summon, search for a ritual spell. Bantam effect, when it was tributed, search for a diviner.
Okay.
Then you go Disto overlay for Mubeta.
Mm-hmm.
Mubeta effect, sending from deck Gamma.
Okay.
Then you're gonna go Meteonis, detach from Mubeta, summoning Benton.
Okay.
Then normal summon Diviner, effect Diviner, send Arclight effect, add Ultimateness.
Okay.
So in this case, you're gonna go these two for the Beatrice.
Yep.
Beatrice effect, detaching Bantan, standing order.
Okay.
And now you're gonna go Gamma, tributing Ultimateness, so summon, and summon a Zeta.
Okay.
Then you're gonna go Meteonis on targeting Gamma, so it reduces by 1000 attack, and add to hand. Then you're gonna use Distri for Auroradon. Auroradon effect, summon tokens, and then you're gonna tribute the tokens and add order back. Then you're gonna go Meteonis, tributing Auroradon, summoning Ultimateness, since Auroradon is machine. And then, you end on Ultimateness, Order, and Beatrice, and then opponent's draw phase. Activate Beatrice, send Eva, Eva effect, banishing diviner, and also an arc light
Mm-hmm.
to search for orange light and a diviner.
Okay.
So that's basically opponent is going to deal with this.
No, he's not going to deal with this though.
I mean, yeah, that's true.
No, but this combo is insane. Like, were people surprised when you did it?
Yeah, it was a surprise.
So that's basically it. Thank you so much for showing off the deck profile, showing off the combo. I don't hope many people play it because the opponents are gonna be mad. But for those Drytron players, now you know that you can just include order in your combos. But yeah, other than that, thank you for joining me. I hope to see you on the channel again soon. And thank you all for watching. Now, if you want, you can hit the subscribe button, you can hit the like button, and also the notification bell so you're always notified when I post. And I also go live on Twitch sometimes when my internet is not trash. Hopefully, that's not going to happen anymore. But yeah, hit everything, hit all of the buttons, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Peace.